Okay, let's look at the homework 4.9, number 8. Alright, so we want to find the original function f of x, and knowing that the derivative is 3x cubed. Right, so we can find the original function f of x by taking the antiderivative of 3x cubed. Right, so we do that. So it's a 3 is in front. Antiderivative, that would be add 1 to the power, so x to the 4th power divided by 4, then plus some constant c. Right, so I mean you can clean up a little bit, so you have 3 over 4 x to the 4th plus c. Right, so we need to find the c. Right, to get a clue, we have to use this second piece of information. It says that the line 81x plus y equals 0 is tangent to the graph of f. Right, so which means that at that point derivative is going to be so if you rewrite this, y is equal to negative 81x, so which means that the derivative has to be negative 81 because that's the slope here. Right, so we set f prime of x, which is 3x cubed. Right, at the point of tangency, this is equal to negative 81. Right, so we can divide through by 3, so divide through by 3, we get x cubed is equal to negative 27. Right, then you can take the cube root of both sides. We know that the x is going to be equal to negative 3. Right, so which means that the point of tangency is going to be at the x equals negative 3. We can find the corresponding y value by just plugging negative 3 into negative 81x. So y is going to be negative 81 times x is negative 3. Right, so negative is positive. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24, so 243. Alright, so we can use this to find the c value. So it's going to go through point negative 3 comma 243. Right, so let's plug it in. So f of negative 3 would be, right, so you have a 3/4, then you have negative 3 to the 4th power plus c, and if you simplify that, this is going to be 81 times 3, so that's going to be 243, right, divided by 4 plus c. Right, so this has to be equal to 243. Right, so this is going to be equal to, so subtract 243 over 4 from both sides. C is going to be equal to, it's going to be 3 times 243 over 4, which is going to be 729 over 4. I kind of cheated, I looked at it. Alright, so therefore we found the f of x. F of x is, let's say, so 3/4 x to the 4th. Then c came out to be 729 over 4, which is the right answer there. Right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.